This is mod 1 for the Warrior 2 series. Starting from your mountain position, toes pointing forward, hands down by the side. You're gonna step back with your left foot. So about a leg's distance between the 2 feet. Your back foot is gonna be at about 70 degrees. Your right knee is tracking over the second and third toe, reaching those arms out, a little micro bend into the elbows, eyes are forward. The action is in the feet, so continue to push the feet down into the floor. From here, we transition into a reverse warrior. The legs stay the same. The left hand just comes to touch that back leg. We reach the right arm up slightly and our gaze moves past our right thumb. Eyes are relaxed, finding a little lateral flexion into the spine, maintaining this action and heat into the legs. Holding here. And now moving into this last posture, come back through your warrior position. Extended right angle. Reach your right arm forward slightly. Turn, look to the left. Bring your right arm down on the inside of your right knee and reach the left arm up. Your right hand is just gently on the inside of your right knee. Spread the fingers of the left hand. Keep the back of the neck long. Keep those legs active. Push into the feet. Hug your belly in. Eyes forward. Relax your face. Push into your front foot. Come back up through to warrior, into mountain position.